someone, a person to talk to, someone who cared to love. Could it be you? Could it be you? Situation gets rough, then I start to panic.
To start, this is kind of show you that the decibel reader does work. My conversation with you, as if I were having a conversation with you in a room, is between 60 and 65. And as you can see on the decibel reader, it is reading the same.
They'll hurt me bad, but I won't mind. They'll hurt me bad, they do it all the time. Yeah, they do it all the time. They do it all the time. They do it all the time. I hope you know that this will go down on your permanent record. Oh yeah? Well, don't get so distressed. Did I happen to mention that I'm in the press? Three for my heartache, and four for my headaches, and five for my lonely, and six for my sorrow, and seven for no tomorrow, and eight, I forget what 8 was for, but nine for lost God, 10 for everything. Or you can all just kiss off into the air. Behind my back I can see them stare. They'll hurt me bad.